People held protests in Jammu against the anti-people policies of the authorities. People took out a massive protest rally in Jammu city against the power cuts in the winter season. The protesters were carrying oil lamps in their hands, while Rehbare Janglat employees who have been holding a sit-in protest outside the office of the BJP in Jammu for the past many days continued their protest in favor of their demands. Indian troops and paramilitary personnel continue their massive cordon and search operations in Jammu region. According to Kashmir Media Service, Indian troops and paramilitary personnel, along with the members of dreaded Village Defence Committee, which is now renamed as the Village Defence Guards, continued the house-to-house searches, mostly on the residences of Muslims on the 10th day today, in several villages and towns of Rajouri, Poonch, Kishtwar, Doda, Ramban, Jammu, Riasi and Kathua district. 3 Indian troops, including a junior commissioned officer, slipped into death in the Kupwara district today. JCO and 2 other soldiers were killed after they slipped into a deep gorge during an operation in Machil area of the district. Thousands of people participated in the Urs of Hazrat Sayyid Rasool Shah, popularly known as Nanga Baji Sahib in Rajouri district. Special prayers were held for the early liberation of Jammu and Kashmir from the Indian illegal occupation. Dream project of a doctor couple, Khurshid Ahmad Guru and Lubna Guru, from the occupied Kashmir to set up a Kashmiri museum abroad, that has finally become a reality. World's first overseas museum for Kashmiri culture and arts has been set up in the backdrop of Niagara Falls in Canada. Dr. Khurshid Guru has named the museum as the Center for Kashmir. Hindutva terrorist assaulted a 20-year-old Muslim youth for talking to a Hindu girl in the Indian state of Karnataka. The duo had met through a social media app and they used to meet often at the bus stop. A group of Hindu goons kidnapped the youth and beat him severely. Constable of Indian Central Industrial Security Force committed suicide at New Delhi's Indira Gandhi International Airport. Constable, identified as Jitendra Kumar, ended his life by shooting himself with a pistol inside the bathroom of the airport.